Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have a combination of a couple of holes. Let's get started. I got this 2 over the door hooks, and I have a project coming up and that will involve organization. I need these 2 over the door hooks. I also need a couple of this shower caddy, my top favorite Dollar Tree item, because I used it a lot of my DIY projects. Go to my organization playlist and you can watch a lot of those, and you will see them in the thumbnail where I use this. Got this basket trays, containers or organizers. They come in different colors. Now it's the summer line, like blue. They even have the green. Also comes in pink. Placemat, enjoy every moment. I'm using this as well, this enjoy every moment, in one of my upcoming projects, because I am getting ready for fall and I want to create some fall decors as well. Hopefully you tune in for that. I purchased another one of this. I used this on the menu planner board, and I purchased another one, this binder, and I got this and I like the design, since I like the color blue as well, although I'm not too crazy or too wild about the amount of flowers. I will be using this in my home office slash craft room, because I do have a lot of colors playing up in this room. It is shared. It's also where I film, so it is also in essence my YouTube room. Also purchased these 3 file folders, and I like the design. I think they're all the same. This design is beautiful, and there are 3 folders here for $1. And I purchased this for my daughter. She wanted this ballpoint pens. These are 8 pieces of them, and they're comfort grip and 1.0 millimeter. This is by I&C. Your ink clip clicks, so whatever the color of the outside design will be the color of the ink. There's pink, there's orange, there's green, and there's blue. And because she's kind of color coding when she's studying, so this is the black one, and it's also 1.0 millimeter. Free subject notebook. This composition notebook also I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So they're of course $1 each, but you may find them, especially during back to school season, cheaper at other shops, like for example Office Depot, Staples, even CVS probably sell them cheaper, and Walmart, of course, they have those back to school prices. Okay, more from the back to school aisle. This is another composition notebook. These are the weekly planner because they're magnetized. I'm not going to use the planner calendar because it's too colorful for my command center. What I do usually use this for, and I'm going to insert a video here where I created a magnetized pan. I have used it for my spices or my seasonings, and I use this, the back of this, to glue on to the containers, those small food safe containers that you get at the Dollar Tree. They come in squares, they come in round. In that video I used the square ones. Got this along with the other one that I use for my command center, and this one comes in 3 designs. This one doesn't have any logo here or any writing. The other one that I use, which is in gray, kind of shiplap or wood background, it says family. I got this as well. It says be amazing. I purchased one of these already before, and I like the size. An A5. This is lined, so you know, I like that there's silver foiling there, and the teal color, the dot teals against white. So yeah. Okay, I got these stickers because I also do paper crafting. If you haven't seen any of my paper crafting, especially journaling or scrapbooking, I do have a playlist as well, and I can use this in my calendar, my memory and milestones calendar that I do on a monthly basis. I'm sorry I missed July, but I will show it to you this month. I will show both July and August, and in December I'll do a walkthrough of the contents. Okay, so I also got this, says here #girlboss. And I like this. Look, speaking of planner stuff, this can decorate your planners if you're into planning. They give you suggestions on how to use it to decorate your room, especially the kids or the teenagers, in your notebooks or even your dorm room, because it's easy on, easy off. It will not leave any residue. There are macarons, there's cell phone here, there's this bubble word. What is this? Like a pencil sharpened on both ends, heart, nails. What's this? Earrings, a pair of earrings. This is an eye mask, another heart there. Got this ice cream cupcakes, popsicles combination, and then some hearts. These are just cute stuff that maybe I can utilize when I'm making a paper craft gift for somebody who's into this and who has a sweet tooth. Oh, and this one I like, this boho style. These are the feathers. I like it a lot. And I've seen this and I got each design because I know I can use them on my projects. So I'm just gonna line them up here. There's one that says love, dream. I like this one a lot. And then there's this arrow. Got two. And then there's Paris. There's Paris. And then there's the feathers here. So I got 6. And they will appear on my videos for my tutorials, again, my DIYs for home decor. I got some of this word, or this artwork or wall art that they call, and I like the sayings and I got them. So this one says love every memory, and because I'm going into the gray thing, also whenever I'm going to change my dry erase message board / bulletin board, and I'm going to be linking it up here again because if you're new to my channel you probably haven't seen it yet. So I'm going to be changing it to this maybe for fall, okay? And also got this one, not too crazy about the gold. I think I'm gonna leave the print as is and then just paint over this and maybe put some twine or rope around it. There's this black frame, and this is the Life Needs More Sweet Tea. I can put this next to the lemonade one right now, actually, quickly. I'm just gonna hang it and I'll work on my command center until I change to fall. Okay, as you can see, I have some items here. I purchased this splatter screen from the kitchen aisle. Also purchased 2 of this skimmer, also at the kitchen aisle. This is a fly swatter, and I got 2 here, and I'm gonna be using this in another DIY. So 2 for $1. I think that's a pretty good deal. I got this dog tie out stake, and I think how it works is that if you have a dog and you don't want it to run off, dig in a hole in the dirt, and then this is where you're going to be putting the chain of the dog so that the dog doesn't run away when you're busy. This one can hook up to this. This is a dog tie out cable. Yeah, see that? You can just use a pack of 3 jute twine. I wish they just did a whole 3 same colors, right? Which is the most common one, is the brown or the tan or the natural color. I also got this candle. These are the LED votive candle, and I purchased the gold, or like a copper color or rose gold tint, and I placed it to embellish my wreath lantern, my wreath lantern, and that I embellished or decorated in fall, and I'm going to be linking it up here as well. But these are the silver ones, and they come also in the yellow gold. So the floral wire, these are 6 feet in each. I purchased 2 gold ones. They come also in, I believe they also come in silver as well as green. I've seen them in that color, and I think there's one that's kind of pink in color, but I purchased this time this color, the gold. Finally, our Dollar Tree got this tea light holder. I know I purchased 2, I just couldn't find the other one, but yeah, I purchased 2 of this. This also comes in black, but our Dollar Tree only has it in yellow gold. Also purchased this. This is the picture hanging kit, 55 pieces here. Purchased this one as well, a grip, and I purchased this before in, I think that's in ivory color as well as tan color. Another back to school item, glue stick, and it's a name brand Avery. It's washable, acid free. That's why I like this, because I need it for my scrapbooking. Should have gotten more. I'm gonna check back if they have more, but yeah, because this is acid free, this will be good for you know, you're scrapbooking, even if you're attaching photos, it will not fade or go bad. These decorative tapes, and this one's, I think the design on this one you will see printed here. These are hearts, and these are like birthday cakes. And there's stars. There's a broken heart. Why would you want to put a broken heart, right? And another back to school item that I'm going to use, and probably if I have time I'm going to make a DIY for our car, and this is the insulated bag by Cooking Concepts, and this is for keeping the sandwiches or lunch either warm or cold, depending on how you want it. So they come in different colors: pink, blue, green. I think they even have purple. This one I've used for my work desk phone, and we've been doing some internet calling, and this works fine. It has a microphone, it has a headset, it's clear. So far so good in my experience. And also when I am kind of muting I connect this also to the speaker of my rig or the computer that I work on, so not to bother others, because sometimes the headset that I got is too heavy on my head, it slips off on my head. So this one is better, and I like it because it's a flat, you know. Sometimes, you know, the round ones, they hurt my ear, to be honest. I like this better because it just sits well in my earlobe, ear canal. Okay, so for crafting I did buy this ribbons. Let me show you. Finally got the silver, but I just want to make sure that I also have it just in case for smaller projects. These jars as well, they come in 3 designs, and I got the swirly kind of ribbing design here, and then I got the straight one as well. They do have one that has kind of like squares that go around, little small squares. I don't like that, it looks too busy for me. So I just got these 2, one each. They're gonna be in my DIY for fall. And I got more twines. I do collect twines from the Dollar Tree, and I need something like this in the fall hue. These are 2 for $1, and this is 120 hours, I think, each. Total of 240 total hours. These washes, musical notes, and then this one, since I'm a bird lover, like these birds, so I'm definitely gonna use this. Something that I haven't seen at my own Dollar Tree, this stamp block. Finally, I found it. Then this ready set stamp for happy birthday theme. There's a cake, there's a gift, there's a party hat, there's a streamer, there's a star, balloons. Yeah, that's for $1. This one, isn't this cute? These are stuck on you, love. These are cacti, and look, and different types of potted cacti. Adorable. And then of course the letters. So just in case, the alphabets. I got this Rust-Oleum. I know that some other haulers have found this, and it's really a score, because originally, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's about $22 to other stores. And it's a trusted quality since 1921. It's Rust-Oleum, never wet, multi-surface, liquid repelling treatment. So we're gonna start protecting our outdoor surfaces. Let me know if you have used this and what's your feedback on this. So that's it, everyone. That's my Dollar Tree haul, and tune in for my upcoming mini series and also my projects for my organization, and also this fall decor that I'm gonna be doing. So, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell icon, because if you do not click on that, you will not get notified by YouTube whenever I upload a new video. Have a great day, everybody. Hope to talk to you again in my next video. Bye bye.